Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about phylum Echinodermats. If you remember the classification of animals, we divided animals in two ways like vertebra and invertebra. Further, we divide invertebrates in different phylums. That today we're going to talk about Echinodermats, which is the sea star and different kind of other animals. So, be with me till the end of the lesson for getting information about Echinodermats. So let's start with their body structure. They are radial symmetrical animals. It means their body is like a pie. We can divide them in different parts and all of them would be identical. But they have some bilateral symmetry features and characteristics as well. And the other thing we have to know that they do not have head and segments. About their movement, we can say that they got tube-like foot, which is made up of an ampulla and water sac and suckers by which they are sucking or absorbing water, and this water can give them ability to move. About their skeleton, we can say that they got a really interesting structure for their bones. Under their really special skin, they got bones as well. And their bones are like endoskeleton. It means they got internal skeleton structure. About their nerve system, we can say that they got a nerve ring and nerve cords run to each arms that they got. So they got a radial nerve. This kind of nerve is being called as radial nerve. So they got also a radial nerve. And basically they got nerve ring, they lack brain. About their circulation, we can say that they got water circulatory system, that they got a different structure like madrepore by which they are getting water. Water is flowing all over their body and this is carrying everything which is required. So they got a water vascular system, which is also a kind of circulatory system, and this system function is to move, to helping to the movement of something, and it can give them sensations and attachment to the substrate that they wanna prey. About their respiration, they also use gills for the respiration, and by the help of the gills that they got, they can get oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and they are using that stuff. As they are aquatic animals, they are living inside water, so probably they might have gills. As you can see, gills are helping them to get oxygen and release carbon dioxide. About their digestion and excretion, we can say that their digestive system includes mouth and anus. That they got stomach and anus only. They are sending their stomach outside their body, and outside their body they are just grubbing the prey inside their stomach, which is outside their body, and they are releasing some enzymatic juices or digestive juices on it, and after digestion they can release or excrete it with the anus that they got. Their reproduction can be sexual and asexual. They got separate sexes. They got male and female, and their asexual reproduction is by regeneration. What does it mean? It means whenever one part of their body is get damaged, so both damaged parts can grow to a new echinodermats, as you can see. And then this also can grow to be a complete echinodermats or sea star structure. This process is being called regeneration. It means whenever we cut one part of their body, they can regenerate new individuals. And their sexual reproduction is like the female and male one. Both of them are sending their sperms and eggs to the water outside their body. The process of fertilization happens, and then they can grow to a new young starfish. Examples of that kind of animals are Crinodia, Ophiurodia, Echinodia, and Holotrodia. That was all about echinodermats. I hope you learned, and thanks for being with me till the end of the lesson.